Hi, welcome back. Today I will show you how to scan text directly into a card using the camera in Trello on your iPhone 12. So let's start. Okay, so we need to open the Trello, go to the inbox right there, and tap on any card you want to give text in. We need to check to attachments on the blue plus, this, and choose the camera or document scanner. So when you take a photo and tap down, Trello will add that scanned text to your card. So that's all. Thank you for watching and see you later.